Hey, this is the DIY Magician. We're here with another upcycling puppets, or how to make a puppet the hard way, or how to take a toy and turn it into a useless puppet, or something like that. Not a useless puppet, they're fun. But maybe it's how to take a useless toy and turn it into a useful puppet. That's the word. Well, this little guy here is a possum, and it looks like I paid $2.98 for him. And I'm going to try and figure out what to do with him. So here he is. This little, I think it's right there. Oh, there he is. Possum Ball. Believing in your dreams. Keep believing. Ay, is what he said. Well, that's what he does. That's the possum rap. Burp, burp, burp. Possum Bowl. So I guess that's it. I don't find any more. It's the two hands. They're big buttons there. There's one. There's another one there. And unfortunately, you're stuck. It goes through the entire cycle. Anything is Possum Bowl. Okay. Well, let's do this. Let's get to the back here. I have to take his little shirt off there. Okay. Makes it easier to access the compartment. He's still got his coveralls on. So maybe he's a DIY possum. I don't know. But I'll tell you what. It's not easy getting this off here. Okay, maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should leave it on. Well, there we go. Okay, so now I'm into this little compartment thing. And it's pretty much stuck in here. He doesn't move his mouth or anything, so I was hoping he'd do that or twist his eyes or do something like that, but he does not. Okay. You know what? After all, I think I am going to get this shirt and remove it. Okay. Everything is Possum Bowl. Remember that. There we go. Okay. He's got his little coveralls. And we're going to do some surgery. Now it looks... Ooh. This might be fun. It looks like it's attached in the back of the head. Or maybe... Oh, I bet he had a hat. You know what? Yeah, there's a whole circle spot here where it looks like he had a hat on. I did not get him with a hat. He was hatless. Okay. But this little box is jammed up in his neck. But remember, everything is Possum Bowl. Just believe. Okay. Let's see. Everything... I'm going to keep saying it. Ooh, popped a stitch there. Everything is Possum Bowl. Hey, it is Possum Bowl. Look at that. Right there. And let's see if the switch works.
Howdy, friend. I'm Billy Bob Possum of the Swamp Critter. And anything is possible if you just keep believing in your dreams.
Dreams. Okay. All right. So now... I'm trying to see, okay, the wires go to and fro, into this arm, into that arm. Okay, and then there's this little bag right here. I'm going to have to, I don't know if I can do this. I might not be able to reach in here, but I'll tell you what, there's some stitches popping in the back of his head. So that might make it a little easier. And then if I get this bag and open it up, that'll make it even more possible, or Possum Bowl. There we go. I'm just going to tear it. And cut the elastic with my scissors. Or as my buddy Barry Mitchell would say, skizzers, because I can't say scissors. Got to call them skizzers. My mouth won't let me say scissors. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. let's do some seam ripping. All right, seam ripping right through there. Whoops, that started again. So seam ripping will help me get into this back area here. Okay, I'm done seam ripping. Now I can reach my hand in. I'm just going to leave that other thing in there for now. And again, I'm going to have to remove some material. So let's do this. Let's start pulling at the material, because I got to have space for my hand. There's lots of material. These things, I don't know how they stuff so much in there. When I remove the material, sometimes it looks like it could have fit inside of a old Buick or something. Okay, is everything possible? I still got more. Hold on. Again, I want to keep the majority of the material up in the top there. Maybe I'll just do the mount. No, I can do both. Oop, oop. Lots of ripping and tearing. I don't like that. But everything is possible, so we can do this. Okay, let's see here. I'm digging. I think I need to... Oh, I got my hand in. Okay, that's positive. Now I need to move this top. There's some foam in his upper mouth area. We're going to take that out, and we're going to just shift it down. I'm going to leave my hand in there because it was difficult to get in there in the beginning. Okay. So, here we go. You ready? Let's do his button here.
Howdy, friend. I'm Billy Bob Possum of the Swamp Critters.
Oop. What happened?
Howdy, friend. I'm Billy Bob Possum of the Swamp Critters. And anything is possible if you just keep believing in your dreams. Hey.
How was that? Was that good? I think I did a pretty good job. Everything is Possum Bowl if you believe in your dreams. Aye. That's what he did. So there he is, Billy Bob Possum, and from the, what is he from?
Howdy, friend. I'm Billy Bob Possum of the Swamp Critters.
The Swamp Critters, okay.
Howdy, friend.
So we're going to remember that. Billy Bob Possum and the Swamp Critters. Possum Bowl. Believing in your dreams. Aye. Okay, that's it, guys. I did it. I took Billy Bob Possum and converted him from a musical character, musical stuffed animal, to a puppet. Look at that, a puppet. If he was easier to get my hands into, I might use him in a show. But other than that, I got $3 on him, and I think that was pretty much what he was worth. What do you think, Billy? Yeah, I believe you're right. So that was pretty good. Okay, thanks again, guys, for coming out and checking me out. If you've been with us before, thank you. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and you'll get the updates as they come along. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time. Aye.